How's it going, guys? Today we are down here at a small creek. Some pretty small largemouth, creek chub, sunfish, all that. It's a really fun creek to hit up. I actually found this a few days ago, coming back here again because it was that much fun. So let's get into it. So we're actually just got this new rod set up. Been really wanting to do a lot more ultralight fishing recently. So I actually went to Bass Pro today with my boy and picked up Shimano Sedona 500. I have I believe the 2000 Sedona. Had it for several years. It's a great rod. So I picked up the 500 as well. I was really hoping to find the Fluger President as a 500 because you guys know I'm a big fan of Fluger. But the guy said they don't make one that small, so whatever. Here's a whole school of perch right here, so same thing, you know, if I come back here, I see the school of perch right there, so I can just cast like this and then slowly bring in this grub and see if they nibble at it. And if they nibble at it, I know that the color I've got on is probably pretty good. But if they don't, then I might want to pop this off and go with a white one, which it looks like I swam right past them. So oh, there we go. There we go. Fish on. First one of the day. So now I know. Now I know my color is good. They're biting it. So that's all I need to know. We're good to head down to the creek. Just tossing up underneath these branches. Oh, really small one. Very small guy. Look at this little guy. Try to be really gentle with these guys because I'm not trying to tear them up. Toss up in here. Oh, there we go. Another one. Beautiful little fish. Oh man, I'm kind of in the not a good spot to be dipping my rod. Come on now, Bubba. This one's close to his eye. I wish he would calm down or he's gonna lose his eye. There you go, Bubba. Beautiful. Look at that guy. Okay, so here is a very good hole right here. Last time I was here, I caught a decent sized creek chub. Didn't even know they got that big, but apparently they do. If you Google it, you can definitely find some very big creek chubs out there. But yeah, in this little spot right here, you can see, I don't know if you guys can see that, but there's a decent school of fish right there. Looks like about maybe 12 chubs right there. At least they look like chubs. I've already got fish following me. So now I'll just wait till they bite. Oh. Another one. Wow, look at that guy. Whoa, calm down, Bubba. I try not to go too small with the grubs though, because they will get a gut hook if you go too small, and that's unfortunate for everybody involved. I really like to make sure every fish I release is in good health. And you know, if you're trying to pry them open and get out those gut hooks, you can really tear them fish up. So, wow, look at that, another one. What is that, a red-breasted, orange-breasted? Kind of looks like a red-breasted sunfish, I think. If you're looking for somebody that knows every species of fish, that ain't me. But we're gonna go ahead and move down. I think most of these are kind of spooked because they're all swimming up to it, not really wanting to bite it. So we're gonna move down and probably end up coming back here and hitting everything. I kind of hit everything twice on the way up the creek and then on the way back down the creek. So we'll definitely be back here and we'll see if we can pull out one of these chubs. I'm not liking that one bit, chat. Chat, we might be cooked. We might be getting stalked by a mountain lion. Okay, so this is the big pool that I was excited to show you guys. A lot of creek chubs in here, a lot of sunfish, and it actually gets fairly deep in here. So we'll fish this side of the log and then I'll climb under and go to the other side here in a bit, but there's kind of two different sections, and so we'll fish both. There we go. Was that orange-breasted, yellow-breasted? Come on now. Give me my lure back. I think the spoon is actually doing me more harm than good, so I might end up taking this spoon off. Oh, another one. Look at that one, man. Beautiful. Just a little guy. Oh, there we go. Too easy. Another one. Ooh, that one's kind of deep, Bubba. That is a decent sized chubby. Another one. Too easy. Big school of fish right here. I really don't have too much of a smaller lure to throw on there though, so might not be able to get too many of these chubs because it seems like they're just not really liking. Look at that little guy. They're just not really liking these grubs. So we're gonna get down in this creek. Try not to eat it and see what we can get. Oh man, look at that little guy. Would like to grab a picture of this because that's hilarious. There we go. Look at that little guy. Whoa. Okay, now we're getting to some prime real estate up here on this creek. We're getting into a much deeper hole. Didn't get it on camera on the catch, but that is a decent sized creek chub right there. Chub. Probably about 7 inches. Decent sized creek chub. Okay, so again, we're just going with a grub, no spoon, and we'll get back in here and see what we can grab. There he is. There he is. Got him. Got him. Look at that, beautiful. Beautiful, look at that little largemouth. Okay, now we're cooking. There he is. It's funny because you can watch him, so you know exactly when to set the hook. Look at that beautiful little guy. All right, we're gonna hit this hole that we passed earlier on the way up. See if we can't grab something out of here. Look like there's a pretty wide variety of stuff in there. Oh, there we go. Another little sunfish. Getting all tangled up. Whoop, there you go. Luckily right above the water for the most part. Oh, there we go. What do we got here? Creek chub? Yep, creek chub. Another creek chub. Man, that one's deep, dude. That one's deep, dude. Hoping he can recover from that one. Looks like he's swimming off and he's doing all right, but that was a deep one. Already. Looks like a, what is this? Creek chub. Another creek chub, probably the same one. Decent sized. Okay, decent guy right there. Man, they're doing a good job at spitting that hook out. Man, this guy wants it. This guy wants it. Drop them fins. Trying to help you. Pretty good looking guy right there. Alright guys, that's a wrap for this trip. Caught about 5 more off camera after that battery died. Decent sized largemouth, probably maybe 1 pound. And then several more sunfish. Really good time. If you don't have an ultralight setup, I'd really recommend getting one. It was a blast. It's always fun just to hit up small streams and catch a bunch of fish out of there when you're wanting to take a little break from chasing down pigs. Anyways, if you guys want to see the ultralight setup that I got, make sure to drop a comment down below. I'm thinking about going through a full fishing bag dump too, just so you guys can see what I'm doing for my summer bass fishing, and then in addition to my summer ultralight fishing. Anyways guys, if you like the content, make sure you smash that like button, hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you in the next one.